Let's make Trini style beef and veggie stir fry in the time that it takes you just to cook your rice. You're going to season your beef with white pepper, garlic powder, some oil, then some garlic and ginger soy, just a couple dashes of those because it's salty, a little bit of regular soy, some sesame oil, some shaoxing wine, baking soda, and cornstarch. Give your meat a good toss and set it aside until you prep everything. Make sure meat is cut nice and thin. So you're going to make your sauce with oyster sauce, soy sauce, couple dashes of the ginger soy and the garlic soy because it adds color and flavor. Some shaoxing wine, a little bit of sesame oil, and some bone broth. You can use chicken stock or water, and also a little bit of cornstarch and some sugar to balance everything out. Give it a stir, set it aside, and prep all of the veggies that you're going to use. This is just everything that I'm using. Did you guys grow up putting your hand over the pan to feel it when it's hot and when it's ready? That's something I grew up seeing my entire family do. So that's something I do to judge, when the pan is ready to go. Anyway, cook your meat, set that aside, and then cook your veggies because you don't want to overcook the beef. Once your veggies come together, you're just going to cook it in stages from the toughest, hardest veggies first to the softest. Then you're going to add your meat back in along with all of the juices from that plate. Add your sauce, give it a toss, let that sauce get nice and thick. Finish with some green onions or cilantro, and you're done. And I served mine with some kimchi.